Hi, it's me, PamVanEe, and I have another glue book to show. And then I will have one more after this, and then I'm going to do another project. I'm not sure which one that will be, but I thought I'd show you this glue book. And this one is spoken for. I do have the one listed in my Etsy, the house plant one. This is a little over 10, almost 10 and a fourth by 7. And it has a 3-inch spine, 3 signatures. I added this pretty fluffy rosette trim. And this was a book cover. Rosette trim here, really pretty fabric. And then I added these stickers that I got from Grabby, which I thought turned out real pretty because there's yellow in here. And then we have the yellow stickers and a butterfly here. And like I said, this one is spoken for, but let me show you the next one. And this one's almost finished, but the next will be Where Can Cattails Grow? This glue book. And then, like I said, the houseplant glue book that's in my Etsy-PamVanEe. Okay, so let's open it up. And I added a children's book page here because there was some writing on it. And then I added some little applique flowers along the edge there. And then I had one of these flowers here, and I clipped in different things along the edges. Little butterfly clipped in here, sticker. Thought this was pretty with the colors. And a few little things, seed packets, things that you could add wherever you'd like. Cute children's book page, another book page. So a lot of children's book pages. And it has a slight, it's eclectic, but it's also has a little nature theme to it. It's a cute little book with these little mice. And here I have a few things from Grabby, or Grabby, I don't know how you say it, but they have a subscription monthly box that you can buy things from. So I like this textured handmade paper look. Then here is a flip out here. So this flips out. I added a paper pocket, and then there's some stickers from Grabby that you could use wherever you'd like. A little children's book page here. And then plant book. A little paper bag in the middle of the first signature. And I did a few things like examples of what you can do. You can glue all kinds of things on here and make it whatever you want. And if you want it to be a journal, you could write on paper and then add it here, or, you know, whatever you want. You can stamp, you can have strips of paper that you could collage along here and there. That's why I like a glue book, because you can do so many things with it. Little paper from Grabby that you can make a tag or write a note on. Middle of the first signature, added another tag and sticker from Grabby. And then I added I have a little Martha Stewart button punch, so I added that there to the middle of the signature. And on this side, more paper and a little die cut from Grabby. And a little piece from a plant book you could put anywhere you'd like. This flips out, and I made a pocket here. a little tag. So you can add tags. Just make it whatever you want it to. And you could add like a little paper strip here if you wanted to. I might just add these so that they could be used anywhere. And then some cute stationery clipped on. So yeah, that opens up like that. A cute little Frederick mouse book. I have a glue book that I made out of that children's book. I love this picture, a vintage children's book. Cute with the little mice. So we have some cute nature with animals. Little owl up there and a tree. So there's a branch here and a branch here. I love this book about poetry. And this flips out here, and then I added, I think I got this in Happy Mail. You could make that into whatever you wanted. You could make it into a booklet. You could cover that with something. And then I have some more of this textured paper from Graby. So that comes out like this. And then we have a pocket here with a few things from Graby. I have an unboxing of what I got from them. If you want to check out that video. And then I think I clipped these on here. And then that's the first signature, lays nice and flat. Here, I think this flips out too, maybe. No, it's a pocket. This flips out like that. You can add pictures to it too. Whatever you want to glue on it. Pretty paper. So then this, let's see, I'll show you this. A few more papers from Graby. This paper and the tag, and then some note paper. Let's clip this back. More things from Graby, and then a pretty vellum. And you could cover that up with paper. Fun things to work with. It's part of a book. You could cover that up. Just a few little things here. A little label. Piece this together. And then I added this paper here. And then I added some stickers. And then a little label on the side. And more like note papers from Graby, and I don't know if you can see that die cut, very delicate die cut. Children's book page, and it also opens up so that you could read the rest of this little story. Cute. Opens up. You could add all kinds of little things here. I've done that, shown how to do that in another video. Cute with the fish and the ducks. Cute little girl with a cat. Little doctor there taking care of the cat. Another little die cut. Middle of the second signature. Look how cute they are. And another one of these with a little button. Punch out. And there's a few little things in here. A couple little things in there. I might put these little tiny tags in here. that I have around. Okay, so middle of the second signature. Aren't they so cute? And they're precious. I think they're adorable. And I added, oh, that's part of the page. But you can add, washi tape, whatever you want, to edges, paper strips. This flips down and over so that you could read the whole story. Hinky Pinky Pearly Earl. 20 nobles and a churl. Some are fat, some are lean, one in red and one in green. Prior, priest, and pearly earl. 20 nobles and a churl. Whatever that means. Okay, that goes like that. And this opens up, and then you can kind of see the edging of that too there. Opens up a few things from Gravy Papers. Opens up, and more pretty bits. Is it there or here? So you just move these around wherever you want. Go add this little sticker, never lose hope. There's some gray in there, so I thought that might be pretty. This opens up, and I added some really beautiful stickers. Opens up. That's the second signature. Here's the third. Be the type of person you want to meet. I thought it was pretty with this edging of this paper. Flips out. Stationery. Tiny label. What else could I add? I might just add stationery there too. I made a belly band with this and just some torn paper that I could use for stationery. Adorable children's book. And there's a little duck, and I guess, or these are swans, sorry. Added that paper there. And pretty. Looks like they're throwing leaves up in the air. Plant book. Storybook. There's Daniel asking what poetry is. Isn't it pretty with all these colors? I think so. It's pretty with the spider web. And then look over here. We got a spider and a spider web over here. This is Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet eating her curds and whey. And there came a spider. So that worked out pretty good. Then I have this little belly band that kind of flips out. And I got this from Happy Mail, and I cannot remember who. It might have been Naomi. And I thought it was really cute. Yeah, you can pull out so many things here. And I thought it was perfect to place here. And this one flips out. More things from Gravy and a little something you could snip that out, cut that out and add it somewhere. And Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary here. And another little storybook. I just folded it and added it there. And here's Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary here. I added just a couple things maybe in here. I can't remember. And then I just tore some papers and added applique flowers. Isn't she pretty? So you can put things in this envelope. Seeds, check in, and I just tore paper to add there. Bring in some of this color. Guess check. This folds out. Kind of cute. This folds out. A few things in here. Added this paper with the bunny and some flower sticker. Cute little bunny family here. Adorable. Cute, cute, cute. Poetry is when crisp leaves crunch, squirrels tell him. More book pages. Added a little butterfly there. And you could do so many things. Color, just add more little elements like that. Stickers, cutouts. And then as an example, I showed you here too. And look, it looks like this bird is, flying off from here. And it looks like this little girl is coming out from here. But I took from another book page these papers and added them and cut that little beehive out. Just added some paper, little tuck there. Tore this paper here. Added a couple faux stamps. More paper from Graby. This comes out. And then I added more little appliques along the edge there. So this is spoken for, but like I said, the next one will be I have the one listed, and then I have one that's almost finished. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.